ready for the disabled. Most Thai schools cannot accommodate students with disabilities. Another fish kill. Fishers can't get a break as more fish turn up dead in the Rio Cobre. And the curious case of Trelawney's stolen beach 15 years on. The focus of a TVJ news probe.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, it's all about NCB Financial Group today. Of course, we've heard that 2 senior managers gone on leave, and the company says that it's likely that they will be permanently removed, but we'll get into that a little later on, as well as the latest stocks and financial exchange data.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's to come up in sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, there were 3 Jamaican victories at a continental athletics meet in Hungary today. We'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports later.
And speaking of victories, didn't you just love the weather today?
It was a great day,
Yes,
really.
it was a beautiful
But
day.
is there more good news coming?
Romaine has a preview.
Yes, we do have some shore activity expected across the island, especially across sections of the west and sections of the northeast tomorrow. Cloudy conditions are also forecast for remaining parishes.
All right, Archie, so there's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what has been your experience in schools that are not disabled friendly?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.